Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to my lecturer and my friend. We from group 4 and we present about Benson boiler. First, my name is Adam Hakim Abdul Rashid and my metric number is 01DPU20F2008. My group member Muhammad Faizal Haris bin Yusri and her metric numbers 01DPU20F2025. My second member group Wan Ahmad Irfan bin Wan Zakaria and her metric number 01DPU20F2032. Firstly, introduction about Benson boiler. When operating at part load below 60 Celsius MCR, a Benson boiler type of Wein's touch boiler that made Benson invented and patented in Germany in 1923 incorporated recirculation factors. Second, smaller diameter tube with a broad of around 25 mm are typically used in Benson boiler to create the furnace envelope. High subcritical or supercritical pressure feed water enters the furnace bottom and is evaporated to high quality in the spiral section. Before the steam water mixture is supplied to the open boiler pass, a balancing header is frequently placed near the top of the furnace to eliminate any variation in steam quality caused by variations in heat absorption in different parallel spiral circuit.
Okay, I am Muhammad Faizal Haris bin Yusri. My monthly number is 01DPU20F2025. I will continue our presentation. I will talk about construction of main parts. Firstly, air preheater. It preheated the air before entering into the furnace. The preheated air increases the burning efficiency of the food. Secondly, economizer. It heats the water to certain temperature. Thirdly is radiant superheater. It is superheater that heats the water with radiation produced by the burnt food. Then convection evaporator. It evaporates the superheated water and convert them into the steam. It does so by the convection mode of heat transfer to the water from the hot to gases. Next, convection superheater. It superheats the steam to the desired temperature, nearly 650 degrees Celsius. Then furnace. It is placed where the food is burnt. And lastly, feed pump. It is used to supply the water inside the boiler and supercritical pressure of 2 to 5 bars. I will explain about working principle. Then the Benson boiler's working principle. It natural as a water tube boiler is already known to us. In the boiler, food is burned to produce heat while the feed water is pressurized by steam. As opposite to Wilcox and Lemon boilers, Benson boiler lacks a drum desert furnace at the boiler's base. Oil is burned in the furnace which the radiators heat through the flue gas exciting the chimney, superheater and economizer. By means of steam pressure, feed water passes through an economizer. Feed water enters the heater at the bottom of the radiant tube. After passing through the economizer, heat is transferred from the bottom heater and radiant tube to the top heater via water. Steam enters the boiler transit section at the top heater and travels to the superheater. Steam is heated up inside the superheater before being feed to the turbine.
Now I want to explain about application of Benson boiler. My name is Ifan B1 Zakaria. My matrix number 01DPU20F2032. Some companies use the supercritical boiler to produce steam for the creation of electrical power. This boiler can produce 135 tons of mechanical power per hour at an average operating pressure, temperature of 650 degrees C and 250 bar. Advantage about Benson boiler. Number 1 is the cost of the boiler is low because there is no water and steam drum. Next, there is no pressure limit, therefore supercritical pressure may be used. The high pressure avoid the bubble formation in the tube, which increase the heat transfer rate, and it is a lightweight boiler. And the last advantage about Benson boiler is the boiler can be started within 50 minutes. And the last disadvantage about Benson boiler, due to supercritical type of boiler, its control requires to be inspected every time to prevent an explosion. And the last is boiler control is difficult for variable load. Thank you. That's all about Benson boiler. Thank you.